कोर्ट की किस परंपरा पर सीजेआई ने उठाए सवाल। बार सदस्यों के निधन से जुड़ा क्या है ये मामला। कलकत्ता हाई कोर्ट में सीजेआई चंद्रचूड़ ने कही कैसी बात। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सीजेआई डीवाई चंद्रचूड़ ने कलकत्ता में बार सदस्यों से जुड़ी एक परंपरा पर सवाल उठाए हैं। ये परंपरा बार सदस्यों के निधन को लेकर है। दरअसल कोर्ट्स की परंपरा है कि अगर किसी बार सदस्य का निधन हो जाता है तो उसके शोक में कोर्ट्स को उसी वक्त के बाद से उस दिन पूरे दिन के लिए काम बंद कर दिया जाता है, जिसकी वजह से कोर्ट में काम का नुकसान होता है। इसी को लेकर सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सीजेआई डीवाई चंद्रचूड़ ने कलकत्ता हाई कोर्ट की बार लाइब्रेरी के 2वीं शताब्दी समारोह में अपनी स्पीच में बड़ा सुझाव दिया।
So much of time is lost in courts. When I was appointed as Chief Justice of the Allahabad High Court, I realized that when references are conducted for deceased members of the bar, the court would rise for the day after the reference was over. The bar would insist that after the reference was over, there would be no further judicial work. When my father passed away, I was a young judge of the Bombay High Court, and the bar came to the Chief Justice and said, Chief Justice, a distinguished former member of the bar who became Chief Justice of India has passed away, and we'd like the work to be closed at the end of the reference. The Chief Justice wisely said, well, his son happens to be a member of our fraternity. Why don't you go across to the chamber of my brother Dhananjay and ask him what he would like to do? I had a suggestion. I said, why don't we begin the reference half an hour before the closing time of the court? The reference will probably get over around the closing time of the court, at which point the Chief Justice may then say that the remaining part of the judicial work for the court would remain suspended, which meant that the court went on for pretty much the whole day. We adopted the same thing in the Calcutta, in the Allahabad High Court. And I would really request a little bit of a rethink on the part of all of you. Should we be at all ceasing work because a member of the bar has passed away? Well, of course, we respect our friends, our colleagues, our seniors. Sometimes, unfortunately, they are our peers who've passed away untimely. But do we need to affect the wider society at large?
कलकत्ता हाई कोर्ट बार लाइब्रेरी के कार्यक्रम के बाद सीजेआई ने कोलकाता में ही न्यायिक विकास सम्मेलन में हिस्सा लिया, जिसमें उन्होंने समकालीन शब्द की पूरे विस्तार से व्याख्या की। अपनी स्पीच में सीजेआई चंद्रचूड़ ने समकालीन शब्द के महत्व को बताया।
The State Judicial Academy and the Chief Justice of the High Court could not have chosen a more topical area for our discussion over the next 2 days. Essentially, this conference speaks of contemporary judicial developments and strengthening justice through law and technology. The word contemporary is very important because it does not speak about the work which we do in the abstract, but in the context of contemporary societal challenges which we as judges face in the work which we do. We therefore look at law and its intersection of technology from the perspective of the societal conditions in which those whom we serve exist in our societies. Because the true merit of our work lies in addressing the challenges faced by those at whose feet we are intended to serve, namely the common citizens of India.
कोलकाता के न्यायिक विकास सम्मेलन में सीजेआई चंद्रचूड़ ने अहम बातें कही हैं। वहीं बार सदस्यों के निधन के बाद कोर्ट्स में अवकाश कर दिए जाने पर उन्होंने जो सुझाव दिए हैं, देश के तमाम बार पर कितना असर पड़ता है ये देखना अहम होगा। इस खबर में बस इतना ही। बाकी अपडेट्स के लिए जुड़े रहें वन इंडिया हिंदी के साथ।